Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question. And the question says, which of the following statement is true? Or it should be, which of the following statements is true? Option A, continuous replication is observed on the template with polarity 5' to 3'. Option B, DNA replication is catalyzed by RNA polymerase 2. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. So what does the question says? The question says which of the following statement is true. So we have to look for the true statement. So let us see the first one. The first one says continuous replication is observed on the template with polarity 5' to 3'. So if the DNA strand has to act as a template, so we know that the DNA is actually double-stranded DNA, and these strands will get separated during the replication process. So here you have 5' to 3', and this is your 3' to 5'. These are the anti-parallel strands, which are you can say in different direction, 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. But during the synthesis, or you can say during the replication process of each strand, okay, of course, each strand acts as a template, right? Each strand acts as template for the synthesis of the new strand, okay, or you can say the daughter strand. Now, the enzyme which is involved here is nothing but your DNA polymerase, okay. Though the initial part or the initial stretch of the nucleotides which are added are the primer, that is the RNA primer, okay, which is added by RNA polymerase, but further it is taken over by the DNA polymerase. So the DNA polymerase will continue from that is the direction will be from 5' to 3'. So always the direction of the synthesis will be from 5' to 3'. So this is your new strand which is added, and that is by whom? That is by the DNA polymerase 2. Okay. Now, how does it synthesize? It synthesizes in the direction of 5' to 3'. Okay. To synthesize 5' to 3', of course, the template should be 3' to 5', right? So this is the way we are talking about. So this is 3' to 5', and the synthesis is from 5' to 3'. Okay. So the option A, which says continuous replication is observed on the template with 5' to 3' polarity. No, because it needs 3' to 5' polarity, because the direction of the synthesis will be 5' to 3'. But it has to use the template whose polarity is 3' to 5'. Hence, this is incorrect statement. Okay. Now, so let us go with the next one, which says DNA replication is catalyzed by RNA polymerase 2, which is incorrect because for the replication process, it needs DNA polymerase 2 and not RNA polymerase 2. RNA polymerase 2 is necessary for the transcription process, that is formation of mRNA. Hence, this is also incorrect. And option C says both A and B, which is incorrect because we are looking for the true statement. That is also incorrect. Option D says none of the above. Yes, none of the above is true. Hence, the correct answer is option D, that none of the statements is true. So let us conclude the answer. So the answer is what? The answer is option D. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.